everyone! Today we will learn about how we can make a birthday celebration in Scratch. You may make a birthday celebration when it's someone's birthday or when you feel really important to someone that you want to celebrate their birthday in a very good way. So, the first thing I'm going to do is choose a dancer. The second thing I'm going to do is choose like a princess or something like that. People. Yeah. So I'm going to choose a princess. The third thing I'm going to do is choose a backdrop. So party will be the best backdrop if you want to make it for celebrating someone's birthday. So I'm just going to make this person smaller. Maybe 70. Yeah. 70 as well. Okay. So now both of them are 17. Yeah, 17. Okay. I'm going to go on this one. I'm going to click when file clicked. Hide. Now what I'm going to do is get a cake. Balloon and then cake. You can do this in any order you like, but do it. And I'm going to change the size of this. Maybe 50. Yeah, that's kind of perfect. And this also about 60. Yeah. So I'm going to click the flag because the size. Okay. And now I'm going to get a table from Google Images. And I'm going to get a table which is transparent. So when you can't see the background kind of thing. I'm going to save it. So save image. Save image as. I'm just going to do download. Okay. And now I'm going to upload the table. And of course I'll have to change the size. Like that's too big. Now I still need to make it a bit smaller. Maybe I can. And I'm just going to erase this. So when it doesn't change the vector kind of thing. Have this. And erase the top part as well. Because you see, like in Scratch, the backdrop is actually kind of really small. So I need everything else to be its own size. Now that looks perfect. And I'm going to have this princess. Gonna say happy birthday. So I'm going to do when flag clicked. Say when flag clicked show. You will see why I'm going to do show in a moment. So I'm going to go to the princess. When flag clicks show. Say happy birthday for 2 seconds. And then hide. Yeah. So that's pretty good. And then it's the dancer. And then I'm going to get a when space key pressed show. You see, when the dancer is already hidden, if I press the space key, it will show. And then I'm going to get a forever. And after forever, first I'm going to change the costume. So the costume will be in the looks and next costume. So I got a next costume. But then you see, if I just do this, then I don't get what that's going to do, okay? So what I'll do is get a weight. And then not 1 second, like 0.5. And I'll center him over here. And I'm gonna get the princess actually standing because she's not a demon or something flying. Space. And now as you can see, there's a dance, but there's no song. So let's add in a song. The song is Over With Us. Okay. And now actually I'm gonna change it. Wait, 0.5. I'm gonna do it, repeat like 46. I'm actually randomly guessing this. And I'm gonna do when space key pressed, print sound done, celebrate until done, repeat 2 times. So I just wanted to check if this works.
Hey.
Yeah, so it is working.
Hey.
And then I'll have to so 46 is a bit too much. Maybe 37. To get the character in, you'll actually have to press the space key, by the way.
Hey.
So, okay, I'm just gonna do 30. But you guys get what I mean now, right? So, we'll just do it one more time. And while that's getting played, we're gonna add the balloon. For the balloon, first get a red space A key pressed.
Hey.
Show. Okay, so now that's done, I'll just have to hide him. And that's why I put the show earlier on. And you may realize why I put a show here. Well, that's because I'm going to get a random flag clicked and then hide. Because we don't just randomly want a balloon there, right? Okay, so that works. And now, after this is gone, I'll do hide. Yeah. When AK press, so when flag show, okay. And then, as you can see, right now, we'll just motion it right here. Go to the motion, and then go to X. So wherever you move the balloon, the motion will change. So right now, this is my current motion. I'm going to get one more balloon so nothing goes wrong. Okay. And the size of our other balloon was 60, so we'll just make it even. Now, it's this balloon. So, I'm going to get another when B key pressed this time actually. So, you can actually do any key, but I'm just gonna do the first alphabet. So when the B key pressed, we have to go to this one and see where it is. Glide, and this time we're gonna go to glide, so it actually goes like up, like in a really swift moment kind of sound. So glide 1 second is 145 minus 3. Okay. So now this balloon will be gliding to 145. It will be gliding to 145 minus and x 145 and minus 3 for y. So I'm going to get this, the glide, x 145 and y minus 3. And I don't really need this button anymore, so I'm going to delete it. So let's see B. And then I want the last key for when C key pressed. So this is already probably very high, so I'm just going to get a sound of pop. So let's see. A, B, C. And when the sound is played, we'll hide it. So let's try. So that went well. And the last thing I'm gonna do is actually create one of my own sprites. And I'm gonna make it like a happy face, and I'm gonna sing out happy birthday to you. I'm just gonna give him some eyes. And the mouth. And I'm just gonna give him kind of a bit of red. And I'm just gonna pretend this is the tongue. Pretend imagination. And the size 60. So now I'm gonna code this, the last one. When flag clicked, hide, and then I'm gonna get a when D key pressed, and actually left arrow. When left arrow key pressed. So now I'm gonna record myself singing a song, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. Stop the recording. Save it. And I'm going to start sound recording. And then for the hip hip hooray kind of thingy, I'm going to get a sound which is actually called go. And now I will get the forever and then play sound go cheer until done. So now let's try it.
Hey. Hey.
And I'm gonna give it a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. So as you can see, I'm just gonna get a show. If you actually want to see it, you can get a show.
Hey. Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear someone. Happy birthday to you. So that is my basic way of doing this. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click the like button, click the subscribe button, comment on any feedback, and comment me for other ideas because I'm currently running out of ideas to code in Scratch. See you guys next time. Bye!